Traders, we have great news once again to all of our traders. Yes, we do. The 590 puts on the SPY. We added more today, of course, under my strict command. The reason why is because the low was 1136. Okay, and then accumulating it for the big pop on the 590 puts. On the SPY, they pay big money tomorrow. Let that be known right now. Let that be known. We've told you, join us in the free 5-day trial. That is where you can start counting your money. Let's get rolling together right now. Don't forget, buy now, pay later works well on big pullbacks. Yeah, read it. It's on the website. Read the rules.